Shut up! You don't think Ryan is famous?
Cousin Ryan.
You gotta...
Hey, what's up YouTube friends and family? It's Cousin Ryan, and I thought I'd show you the install process for the headlights on our 1959 Ford Ranch wagon. These are new plugs that I installed. They're part of the quick wire wiring harness that I purchased and have installed on our car here because the old wiring harness was shot. Be honest, I'm not super thrilled with these plugs. I mean, they'll work, but the old ones just seem to look and fit better if they were in good condition. These are not in good condition, and that's why I wanted to replace them and not splice them into the new wiring harness. They're corroded inside and dirty, and they just weren't, I wasn't comfortable with using these. These will be fine. I'm not thrilled with them, if I'm being totally honest. So we've got dual headlights here, high beam and low beam. Let's do the high beam first. I bought these on Rock Auto. I don't know, they were around $6. It's Phillips H5001C1 is the part number, and got the little plug here. Now, I didn't show you the removal process of the old headlights, but just reverse engineer it. It's super easy. If you're to the point of putting your headlights in yourself, you can handle taking them apart. Just do the opposite of what we're doing here. It's the plug, and it should, I had trouble, I already did the other side. They were a little bit tight getting on there. But that's it, they're plugged in. And then take the little trim ring here. This actually only goes so many ways, or one way, I should say. By the way, as I'm filming this today, this is the 4th of July, 2021. So happy 4th of July to everyone watching, even though this is going to be posted later. I don't know why, I'm going to loosen these screws a little bit because there's 3 screws around here in the ring. There we go. There's big holes on these tabs. I'll show you. There's a big hole here, so the screw head goes through there, and then you twist it and it kind of locks into place. And then you just tighten these Phillips screws here, and it will lock this ring into place. Just like that. This is the regular low beam slash high beam, Phillips part number 4000 C1 on Rock Auto. Again, it was around $6 or $7. I do think eventually I want to replace the high beams with LEDs, just because they'd be brighter and they're not on all the time. So it'd be cool to have super bright high beams. This one has 3 prongs. You know, there's ground and then low beam and high beam. Should just fit right in, sorry. And that's it. Same process for this one as well. Fit the ring on here. Whoops. Make sure you have it right. Like I said, there's only, which way are we going here? There we go. Now we got it. Twist, maybe. That's funny, these are bottomed out in the slot and this one isn't. As far as I know, these are the right rings, so go ahead and tighten it down. Go, and then we've got the beauty ring over here that kind of tucks in behind the trim. And then we've got a single screw that goes in here, I think, somewhere. there we go. That's it. Our headlights are installed. That really doesn't, whoops. Lots of things are rusted out on this car. But now I gotta find, oh, there it is. There's that screw. This hole might actually be stripped out. I'm not sure. No, there we go. That's better. I didn't have it right the first time. I'm trying to rush through this for the video. That's it. Thanks for hanging out with me. So we installed our headlights on our 1959 Ford Ranch Wagon. And until next time, be excellent to each other.
You know, say it's cousin Ryan on the Hollywood Boulevard. You know, say he bigger than any superstar. All of us spit you some real dope bar. Some them sweeter than any chocolate bar. Boom! Hey.